Here I am again, bankrupt bass player. Let me tell you something that happened to me the other day. Now, I just happen to have a couple of gigs. Sometimes I play the upright bass on these gigs, double a little bit. And what happened, I was walking down the street the other day, get to my gig, had my suit on, and was carrying this bass with me. And then people started looking at me funny, started laughing at me, talking all kind of stuff like I was some kind of freak, funny puppet show, I don't know, whatever. I look back at them like, what you want about? Here I am sweating, trying to do my gig, trying to get some money. Going with $3 in my pocket just to make it under the trade. To get to the gig, gotta get paid cash so I can get back. Head certain and everything, carrying this vase, and people laughing at me. So I'm trying to get my money and people laughing at me. Then you know what I thought? This must have happened to people like, people from back in the day, Oscar Pettiford, or Ray Brown, or Charlie Mingus, Mr. PC, Mr. Paul Chambers, Sam Jones, Scott LaFaro, Charlie Hayden. I'm sure people like that must have had similar experiences. Even people maybe in later school like Stanley Clarke, carrying a bass and people laughing. And think about how much love they gave to the bass community and love to people in general. Making records, people transcribe the stuff today. And a lot of these people died with no penny in their pocket. So this is my humble way to express the gratitude and love to especially people like Stanley who turned me on playing this instrument like crazy and smiling and give me a feeling of love and positive energy, which I still think about today. And there's a whole lot of people who gave love. Sam Jones, talking to me about life and music in general, etc., etc. Everybody down the way, whoever plays whatever kind of instrument. It ain't no new school, old school, east side, west side stuff. It's all about love, the instruments, love, the universe, love. Okay, this goes out to all the acoustic bass players, and electric bass players, east side, west side, everybody's side. It goes like this.